Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to find my iPhone from another iPhone, or on any other Apple computer, or even a PC. So first things first, what you want to do, whatever you're on, either a phone or a computer, you want to open up a web browser and you want to go to iCloud.com. It will require you to sign in, and what you want to do is sign into your Apple iCloud account. This will be your email that you signed up to when you first got your iPhone. So once you're logged in, you want to scroll down and you see this Find My here. You want to click on it. Now at the very bottom here, all your Apple devices will be listed, and you'll be able to select which one you want to find, and then click on it, and it will give you the precise location of that iPhone or Apple device that you've lost, and then you'll be able to go on to find it and retrieve your iPhone. So that's how to find my iPhone from another iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.